Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ebony and this is Organizing with Ebby. Today we're going to focus on organizing the kitchen fridge. So without further ado, let's get into it. Organizing the fridge is a great opportunity to check expiration dates and wipe down the shelves. Items used for this project are food storage containers, 2 fridge bins for drinks, and a 12-inch refrigeratable Lazy Susan, also known as a turntable. I also added an egg storage container. The top shelf is where I stored all the individual grab-and-go drinks. Top drawer, I decided to place tortillas and a variety of cheeses. After placing the Lazy Susan on the second shelf, I used it to place all iced coffee items. I placed the eggs under the drawer, leaving space in the middle for any leftovers. After washing the food storage containers, I cleaned the grapes and placed them inside of the container. I also placed the carrots in the food storage container as well. I used the bottom 2 drawers to place the fruits and vegetables. On the bottom shelf, I placed additional drinks and snacks. After everything has been stored in place, it's time to write on chalkboard labels. If you've seen any of my other videos, you would know I love chalkboard labels. I prefer to use them because they can easily be erased if I decide to change what's inside of the bins. Now it's time to label. Finally, the fridge is complete. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you next time. Take care.